How to increase font size on Messenger on your iPhone. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, let me just simple open the Messenger app and you can see this is my current font size. Now in order to increase it, let's just go to the home screen and look for the settings app available there and simply tap on these settings. Now, once you tap on these settings, scroll down and tap on the accessibility option available in there. Again, scroll down till the bottom and tap on the pre-app settings. Now here tap on the add app. Then scroll down and tap on the messenger, or you can also search for it and tap on it. Then again tap on the messenger app. Then you can see larger text option available there. Simply tap on it and all you have to do is increase the slider to the right hand side. Now go back to the messenger to check, and as you can see my font size has increased. Now you can do it according to your preferences, how big font size you want on your messenger. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.